Hello and welcome to a video that is extra special. I will be doing a few minutes of fireworks. Yeah, yeah. Now, this marks the 2 year marks. Yeah, the 2 marks of the year. So, let's grab a firework. I've got the strobe here, right? So, a short recording. Right, so let's do them together. I'm so sorry that the headphones came off. So that's what's happened, okay? Right, okay. So let's look at how it works then with a big show. That is the mark of 2 years of YouTube. Yes, this is it. Thank you. Thank you for all this. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is very special to you here. And this one's especially for you. Now, that was just a look. Let's do 2 big ones. That is it. 2 years of YouTube. 2 perfect years. Now, let's do a big finale of that one. Whoa, that is amazing. That is actually amazing. So, what's this one do? What does this one do? I've just set 4 of them off now. Right. Listen, this is the biggest one we've ever done. Yeah. Okay. Well, that one was amazing. Do it again if this is the one.